What's up YouTube, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you step by step on how to do the flames design. To start off, I grab my 316, which is almost a number 2 guard, and I take it all the way up to where I want the darkness to start. And then I clip or overcomb it to take off the bulk. So first you need a clean canvas that we can start placing the fade, and then you start debulking it with the clip over comb. Now I grab my trimmer, start making my first guideline, and make sure every step is super clean. Now we're gonna grab our clipper and open it. We're gonna take it 1 finger length up, and we're gonna start playing with the lever. We close it, start deleting that line, that bottom line, with the flick motion. After that, I grab my 1.5 open a little bit, my 316, and start shaving it. Make sure you go all the way up to that line. Now I'm gonna use my masters, and the reason why I use those masters is because it's super zero gap, and it's able to take down that bottom line. Now we're gonna start clip over combing all the little hairs that stick out. Line it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna lift up the hair and connect the top with the bottom. And all the hairs that stick out, I'm gonna cut them out. Make sure you always shave and stretch the skin, that way you get super tight, close to the skin. When I do a design, I always start with the other side first and finish the fade, because I know that the actual design is what's going to take the longest. Now we start off by placing the first line right across, and make sure you contour it to the shape of the head. Now we start digging in, start curving little by little, start shaping those flames, and make sure you don't lose your flow, because designs, it's all about flow. If you do it too simple, too straight, with no curves, no sharp edges, there's nothing to look at. It gets boring. So just make sure you don't forget about the flow. Like, some of these flames are smaller, others are bigger, some are small. This one's a little bit harder. I done a different one before with less flames and less but bigger flames, but this one's, it's little flames all the way across. Some are bigger, some are smaller. Try to do patterns, like make one small, make one bigger, make one small, make one bigger, and then switch it. Patterns always catch people's attention. And now we're gonna do a line right under it. The last one, I literally shaved it all down, but when I took pictures, I took videos, I went back and I saw that I could remaster it, and this is the remastering. So now I added a line, that way we can make a base, and we can add a fade right under it. The rest of the video, I'm going to be detailing the living life out of the fade, the design, because little details is what makes a masterpiece. It's on the microscopical details that make the fade, the design, stand out. So when it comes to fading the bottom, make sure you use your corners, make sure you take out all those dark spots, and then shave when the bottom, make sure you shave it completely. When you run your fingers through it, you can't feel a single speck. And when you do the razor work, make sure that you shave off every single hair, and you detail every curve, every sharp edge, because at the end of the cut, you guys will notice a huge difference. It's gonna take your design to a mastery level. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you found this video useful, please subscribe. I'll be making more of these videos. Thank you guys. Love you all.